New year, new gear. Inside these boxes is everything I need for my ultimate desk setup. Let's see what's inside. Hello, my name is Ruben. I'm a creator that makes camera-related content. That means that I spend a lot of time behind my desk. It was time for an upgrade, so today I'm building my ideal desk setup step by step. You'll be able to find affiliate links to all these products in the description. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. Here's my desk. The desk itself is an old IKEA tabletop on 2 trestles. I like the way it looks and it's deep enough to get everything on it. Let's start unboxing my new stuff. If you know me a little bit, then you know this is the best day of my life. This is the Schwäbische Kabelmanagement. It's a cable tray organizer. I'm afraid I bought 2 of them. Oh, okay. I think it works like this. It's extendable. You can do it like this or like this. A cable tray keeps the doctor. This one just clips on the table so I can easily remove it when I want to. Next up is the monitor stand or a little cabinet from IKEA. I really love the drawer. That means that I don't need a catch-all tray. For now, it's the perfect place to dump some SD cards and hide my remarkable SSDs and some pens away. I might need to customize it one day with a 3D printer. Hello, bamboo! So next up is the desk pad. I wanted a big one. This is the Ivono desk pad large. I think it's pretty useful, comfortable, and it just looks good. And then something I wanted for a very long time. I finally bought the Apple Studio Display. How beautiful is this? The only pain in the ass is choosing the stand. You can choose a regular stand that makes you tilt the screen, you can choose a more expensive one that also goes up and down, or the Visa mount. That way you can combine it with any monitor arm. I went for a regular stand since I already have the IKEA cabinet. And because I'm next to a window, I went with the nano texture screen to minimize glare. I love that the screen also charges the laptop. That really reduces the cables I need to use. Oh, and I forgot to unbox the most important part, the cloth. Ta-da! This is just some necessary stuff. I can plug in 5 plugs, the cable is 3 meters and I can plug in 2 USB-Cs. And this is some Velcro tape so I can do the minimal cable management. Let's get some electricity! I can't wait to open this package. I really want to use my iPad way more. Now I'm only using it to edit photos or watching YouTube. It's the perfect screen size to actively track my calendar or open up emails with feedback that I need to process. The iPad stand goes over here. I love how it charges the iPad. I can turn it in any direction I want and I can put it in the perfect position to edit pictures on it. And then the iPhone stand I saw so many ads for. This might be the most silly thing I bought and I love it. It's the perfect tool to charge my watch, iPhone and these wireless Sony earbuds. Next up, the keyboard. I really wanted to have Touch ID for quick logging in. Love that it's wireless and was pleasantly surprised to see that it charges with a USB-C connection. The mouse is one I've been using for a while and absolutely love. The Logitech MX Master 3. It's wireless, it feels good and you can customize some buttons. There's a reason that almost every creator has this one. And then another Logitech product that I was so excited to get, the MX Creative Console, a very customizable keypad and dial pad. It's perfect to add some of my most used actions and the wheel is perfect for adjustments like exposure. It works perfectly in Premiere Pro, but I was so disappointed to see that it doesn't have a profile for Lightroom yet, only one for Lightroom Classic. Customer service was so kind to let me know that they are expecting it to be compatible soon. So I hope that's very soon. This is something that I never had before, but I really wanted it. It's the BenQ Halo Screenbar. No idea how to install it. Ta-da! I just started using it, but I'm already used to it. Without it, it feels dark. I love that it also has a backlight that makes it even more pleasing to work at my desk. It's all controlled by this small device on batteries. But there's one weird flaw. It covers up my webcam. Please let me know in the comments if you found a way to fix this. This is my new desk setup. I'm loving it. And the chair I'm using is an ergonomical one from Seho. Or Seho? I've been using it for 4 years now and it still feels good. Let's plug it all in. Yes! After a few days with my new setup, I can honestly say it's way more comfortable and makes work more enjoyable. My favorite parts, definitely the studio display and the BenQ Screenbar. They've completely transformed my workspace. The only things I might be missing is a docking station, maybe a NAS storage system and a set of speakers. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for more creator tips and desk upgrades. See you in the next one.